This is my personal branding. Who am I? I am Crystal Trasona, 21 years old, currently studying at Polytechnic University of the Philippines, San Pedro campus, taking Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. What drives me? As a marketing student, I'm motivated by the excitement of coming up with the fresh approaches to convince customer by adjusting to new trends. I'm also motivated by the ability to analyze consumer behavior and create marketing strategies that appeal to target audiences. Additionally, I think that marketing is more than just selling and promoting a product. It also entails understanding your target audience and analyzing data. For the value proposition, my unique value to my audience is as a marketing student, I think my communication skills and work ethic make me valuable to my audience. I can guarantee that my performance will never let you down because to my abilities and personality. Make deep connection and work together with other businesses who need to expand. Core brand values. Leadership, collaboration, and passion. For the brand personality, tone, friendly, innovative, and inspiring. And for the colors, black and red, for color black, it means that sophistication, security, class, formality, and power. While color red means that love, excitement, importance, strength, and passion. And for the visual, use a clean, classic, and elegant design. For communication style, energetic, inspiring, and trustworthy. And for the IMC consistency, I'll make sure to provide my clients with reliable and consistent services so they may have the great possible experience. Work together and establish a strong relationship with the customer to provide a consistent brand experience that increase their credibility and confidence. I am willing to listen to their concern and recommendations. And lastly, for the elevator pitch, I am Crystal Trasona, a marketing student who loves interacting with people and working together. I've been feeling more confident lately thanks to my course. It taught me that marketing involves more than just selling and promoting your goods. It also involves your understanding your target audience and assessing the demands of the market. Additionally, I think that my accountability abilities and character will allow me to develop consumer trust and adjust to these new developments, creating a better future.